Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I will be touring you dito sa kitchen. So right now this house is for sale, so I link the description down below if you are interested to buy this house. So this is the newly renovated kitchen. New range and oven. New faucet. New box plus. They use quartz. Quartz is better than marble. It's durable compared to marble or porcelain. This is the cabinet. A dishwasher. Right here, French refrigerator freezer. Another quartz table with the new light pendant hanging above. New flooring. So guys, by the time you watch this video, this house is on the market now. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this short vlog. Thank you for watching on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye now.